Make every moment count to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is to make every moment count. We're talking about shared relationships, quality time, shared experiences with respect to our relationships in this year's Get Your Goals annual challenge today. And so I picked this idiom to go along with it, and it's pretty easy to tie it to our businesses. This idiom emphasizes the importance of cherishing and really maximizing everything we do, each of the moments and the experiences that we have in our business and all of our time spent together. And I think one of my favorite quotes is from Albert Einstein on this topic, and he said, everything that can be counted does not necessarily count, and everything that counts cannot necessarily be counted. I love that quote, and it speaks to the importance of measuring what matters, right? Making sure that our customer experience and how they interact with us on every level, every touch point matters, right? And that they get the experience we want them to have when they're talking to our customer service, when they're talking to our sales associates, when they're talking to our accounting department, when they're talking with anyone in our organization. We want them to have the same positive, awesome experience that they have as we're delivering our products and services to them. So I'm super curious today. Do you have this philosophy in your business? And as you're building and growing and supersizing your business, do you believe that our interactions matter and that our time, and one of our most precious resources is, of course, time, because it's not replenishable. So us wasting our time or our customers' time is probably one of the silliest things that we can do. So if we can give them an experience that leaves them feeling good about us and our business and our company every time they interact with us, they're more likely to do business with us over and over and over again, as well as tell their friends about us. So we want to make sure that we're doing that. I'm curious, how do you do this in your business? How are you making sure that every moment counts? I recently saw a show, it's a cooking show, and I obviously have an interest in chefs and cooking and background. When I was watching my grandchildren, it was on in the background about a chef, and their motto was every second counts when they're serving people. And we need to have that similar philosophy in our business. How long do people wait on hold if they call your customer service department? There are certain industries and certain businesses I actually dread calling because I know I'm going to have a 15-minute to an hour plus long wait time. Who has the time for that? And those businesses and industries may be planning that into their structure because they don't want to deal with their customers. They don't want to handle problems and challenges that their customers have. And guess what? They're right, because sometimes we'll just give up and we won't bother complaining. We won't bother calling. We won't bother communicating with them. Guess what? Their businesses don't supersize and grow. They don't last very long unless, of course, they have a monopoly. So, curious your take on this particular idiom? Make every moment count. And then if you believe that this is an important one, how do you make it work in your business? Share in the comments below. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business today? Have an awesome day. Make every second and moment count. Bye.